everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lovisha. So in today's video I'm gonna tell you all how I shave my face. I've been shaving my face for more than a year now, so you can trust me on that. Before starting the video, I would like to clear one thing, and that is it's completely your wish if you want to remove the hair from your face or from your body. Do not do it because other people are doing it. If you feel like doing it, do it. If you don't feel like doing it, don't do it. It's completely your choice. Since I have been shaving my face for more than a year now, so मैंने मेरे घर पर सबको आदत डाल दिया फेस के लिए रेज़र यूज़ करने की. इवन मेरी दादी भी रेज़र यूज़ करते हैं बिकॉज ए इट्स पेनलेस एंड बी यू कैन डू इट एट योर ओन कन्वीनियंस. आपको पार्लर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है थ्रेडिंग और बेसिकली वैक्सिंग के लिए. इट मेक्स योर लाइफ ईजी एंड इट्स वेरी ईजी टू यूज़. As you can see, I have not shaved my face for quite a time now. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let's talk about razors first. I use razors from this brand called Sanfe Pretty Razors. I've shown this product in my Nykaa haul video. I'll link it somewhere on the screen. You can watch that also. This comes in a pack of 3, and basically you can use these razors on your eyebrows, upper lips, peach fuzz, chin hair and bikini line. It's better to purchase razors that comes in a pack of 2 or 3 so that you never go out of stock. Nowadays razors are available in every other local shop. You can go and buy from them also. Make sure you buy a razor which has a cap on it like this, because this cap protects your razor from any kind of dust or bacteria. It's very important to maintain the hygiene of your razors because that razor is going to be used on your face and your face skin is very sensitive. So make sure you maintain the hygiene, you are cleaning your razors properly and you are not using dirty razors on your face. According to Google, you should throw away your razors after every 5 to 7 uses. I basically use my razors till 3 months, which is almost equal to 5 to 6 uses. So make sure you're not using your razor for a year or so and you're disposing them on time. So now let's start the shaving process, and I hope all your doubts are clear regarding the maintenance of razor and razor hygiene. So let's start the shaving process. Make sure your razor and your face are clean and you have not applied any kind of moisturizer or cream on your face. So one important step of shaving is to use aloe vera gel or any kind of facial oil on your face before shaving so that your razor can glide easily. I prefer aloe vera gel and I am using aloe vera gel from Mamaearth, and that is this Mamaearth aloe vera gel with pure aloe vera and vitamin E. You can use any aloe vera gel or any kind of facial oil according to your preference. I've taken some on my palm and I'll apply it on my face. Just massage a good amount of aloe vera on your face, and again I am saying make sure your face is clean before starting this process. So let's start with the cheek area first. Hold your face like this so that your skin becomes tight and razor can glide off easily. I'm not seeing towards the camera, I'm seeing on my screen so that I can also do clearly. Do not hold your razor like this. Always hold your razor like this and just start shaving your face like this, and your razor will glide because you have applied aloe vera gel, which provides it a surface to glide, and it's very easy. Make sure you are very careful and you are not cutting yourself. Just go on like this till the end. And one important step is also to tie your hair back, which I have clearly not done. You can clearly see how easy it is to use and all the hair are coming off very easily. Firstly, I have done it from this side and now I'm doing it over here. Just keep moving your razors to the bottom of your face and see how easy it is to use. Also, make sure you're not using your razor on any active acne or pimple that you have. Do not use your razors on it. Warning. And this side of face is done. Now coming towards the side locks, I'll hold the extra hair that I have. I basically want to keep my side locks still here, so I'll remove all the excess hair just like this, and it's done. Now just keep gliding your razor towards your neck. Also make sure, now you can see all the hair. I don't know if you can see or not. Yes, you can see all the hair along with the aloe vera gel on this razor. So keep a tissue by your side and just wipe the hair that you have on your razor like this, as simple as it. Also for your neck part, make sure you apply aloe vera gel on your neck also, so that your razor can easily work on that. And I'll simply glide the razor, and I'm saying this again and again that I'll simply glide the razor, but it is what you have to do basically. So completely your wish how much you want to do on your neck. So I would like to go only till here. For now you can use a tissue to wipe off the hair on your neck or on your face. Make sure you are doing it very safely. It's very easy to use, but make sure you are very careful with it. You can apply aloe vera gel or any kind of base that you are using on your face again, because जब तक आपने ये एरिया किया है वो वाला सारा सूख चुका है. So you should apply it again. Again I'm holding it like this and just removing the excess hair. Again wipe off the excess hair and aloe vera gel with a tissue from your face and from your razor as well. Also, if you're doing this in your washroom, like I am not clearly doing it in my washroom, light chali gayi hai, so we have to work with the ring light only that we have. If you're shaving in your washrooms, then you can clean your razor and wipe off the excess hair from your face by using water. You can see it's done from both the sides. And now coming to the upper lips, just do as I am doing, very gently and very carefully. And it's done. Now coming to the eyebrows part. So if you're doing your eyebrows for the first time with the razor, make sure you fill in your eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil, because when you're using it for the first time, you're not sure how much of hair you want to remove. So it's better to use an eyebrow pencil to draw your eyebrow shape, and then you can easily remove the excess from the eyebrows. So I'm just starting it from the center and removing the excess. I clearly know my eyebrow shape, so that's why I'm not using an eyebrow pencil. But if you're using it for the first time, then you might need an eyebrow pencil. Just go in like this and it's done. Also, if you want, you can use it on your forehead also. You can repeat the same process on this eyebrow as well. And it's done. Also, many people have extra hair. Oh my god, it's raining. Also, many people have extra hair at the starting of the eyebrow. As you can see, इस eyebrow के like यहाँ से है and इस eyebrow की growth काफ़ी ऊपर तक है starting में. So what I do is I take a scissor and cut off the excess from the starting like this, and हो जाता है. So now we are moving on to this area, and for this I usually like to do is hold my eyes like this and hold the razor like this, and I simply go in with this. and it's done. I'll repeat the same process on this eye. And it's done. My whole face is done. So I'll go clean my razor and wash my face and then come back. So I washed my face and you can look how clear my skin is looking. And yes, this is how you should shave your face. And also मुझे clearly यहाँ पर दिख नहीं रहा था, but both my eyebrows were looking different. So दोनों को match करने के लिए मुझे यहाँ से थोड़ा सा और trim करना था. So I have done that in front of the mirror. Make sure you first use razor on a small part of your skin so that you can see how your skin is reacting, because everything is not suitable for everyone. So keep in mind that, and always patch test before using anything on your body. So I've washed my face with face wash, and until now I've not included any kind of actives in my skincare routine. And if you have included actives in your skincare routine, so do not apply it after first time of shaving, because you don't know how your skin will react. Just apply a simple moisturizer, and when you are used to shaving, you will eventually know how your skin is reacting and you can proceed your skincare according to that. For those who don't know what active means basically active ingredients in your skincare routine, such as niacinamide or salicylic acid or retinol and stuff. So it's been 4 days since I shaved my face, and this is how my face looks like. अभी तक growth आनी शुरू नहीं हुई है. And no, your hair does not grow back thicker, or it does not come back in dark black hair as people say. People also say कि shaving के बाद आपकी growth जल्दी होने लग जाती है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. जब आप वैक्सिंग करवाते हो तो आपके जो हेयर है वो रूट से निकलते हैं, एंड उसके बाद वो हेयर फॉलिकल में से दोबारा से हेयर की ग्रोथ होगी, एंड देन वो फिर फेस के बाहर आएंगे. इट टेक्स टाइम. लेकिन जब आप शेविंग करते हो तो वो सिर्फ आपके अपर लेयर ऑफ स्किन से हेयर निकलता है एंड रूट से नहीं निकलता है. सो एज़ कम्पेयर टू वैक्सिंग, हेयर ग्रोथ शेविंग के केस में जल्दी होगी, बट जो इवेंचुअली जो आपकी पेस है हेयर ग्रोथ की वो उसको चेंज नहीं करेगा. सो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. दीज ऑल आर मिथ्स. थोड़ा लॉजिकली सोचना, एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट फेस शेविंग यू कैन कम्प्लीटली डू इट. And with this, we've come to the end of the video. If you still have any doubts regarding face shaving, comment it down, and I'd be more than happy to reply to you guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if this video is helpful to you, and share this video with your friends and family whom you want to recommend face shaving. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, love yourself and take care of yourself. Bye.